Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to use your debit card for payments in 2025. With all the tech advancements, it's easier than ever, but let's break it down step by step so you can do it confidently. First off, why use a debit card? It's linked directly to your bank account, helping you avoid debt while making everyday purchases seamless. Now, let's dive into the basics. Step 1. For in-person payments, start by selecting your items and heading to the checkout. When it's time to pay, simply insert your debit card into the card reader or swipe it if it's an older machine. Most places now support chip technology, so look for the chip slot and insert it there. Enter your PIN when prompted. Always keep that code secret for security. Next up, contactless payments are a game changer in 2025. Just tap your card on the reader for amounts under a certain limit, usually around $100, depending on your bank. This is super fast for coffee runs or quick buys. If you're using a smartphone, many banks let you add your debit card to digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Wallet. Open your app, select your card, and hold your phone near the terminal. No more fumbling for cash. For online shopping, it's straightforward too. Go to the checkout page, choose Debit Card as your payment method, and enter your card details. The 16-digit number, expiration date, CVV, and your billing address. Always double-check for the padlock icon in the URL to ensure the site is secure. In 2025, look out for biometric options like fingerprint or Face ID verification for added protection. A few quick tips to keep in mind. Monitor your account regularly through your bank's app to spot any unauthorized transactions. Set up alerts for every purchase, and never share your PIN or card details over the phone. If you're traveling, notify your bank to avoid transaction blocks. Remember, debit cards often have daily limits, so plan accordingly. There you have it. Using your debit card in 2025 is efficient and secure with these steps. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.